in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Craft. And what's going on, guys? Today I want to do something brand new. I want to come out of my shell. I got this recipe from a YouTuber, and she goes by the name of Island Vibe. And I want to give her a big shout out because she tried it. It was something new for her, and now I'm going to try it, something new for me. She stated that she got it from someone on TikTok. So I don't know if I should be shouting her out or someone from TikTok. But you know what? We're just going to give all kind of shout outs. So the person on TikTok who came up with this recipe, God bless you. We're going to try it for the first time. And so the first thing we're going to need, guys, is a bunch of this stuff right over here. Just check that out. You guys see that? Yeah, so we're gonna need some Jiffy cornbread mix, because I'm not making no cornbread mix from scratch. We're gonna need some honey, some sugar, some brown sugar, some buttermilk, some butter, the same way you make your candy yams. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some vanilla extract. And yeah, so we're gonna need all those good things that you make your sweet potato pies with. So let's go. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix up my my 4 medium-sized sweet potato yams. Let's lock this here, and we're just gonna mix them up, because you know what I do, guys. I take those strings out of there, because you already know we ain't using those strings. And I forgot we're gonna need 3 eggs, so I hope I didn't forget that. But my eggs, my candy yams or my sweet potato yams, if somebody know the difference, please let me know. It's been boiling all morning, so they should be good to go. I'm just going to pick this up for right now and see what kind of strings we got going on up in here. Okay, so we got a little bit to none, so let's let this go. I want this as fine as possible, so I'm going to give it a little. Let that go back so you guys can see the string that comes off the sweet potatoes. There we go, right here. This is what I don't like to taste, so we're going to remove that right now. I never show you guys, I do this quite a few times to get all those strings out, and a lot of times you lose a lot of sweet potatoes, a lot of yams, but I prefer that than those strings. So I'm going to do it about 2 or 3 times, since we only got the 4 medium sweet potatoes. So let's see if we have some here, and we do. You see, I just take it from whatever's rolling around in there. I already know that it's a lot of string in there, so we're gonna remove that. So this is my 3rd egg. I'm gonna go in with some ground cinnamon, I'm gonna go in with some nutmeg. Put as much as you want and however you want it to taste. And then I'm gonna put my extract. Here is some really pure vanilla extract, so I have to be very careful. I don't want this to be overpowering. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit. A little bit too much. Then I'm gonna go in with my buttermilk. I'm just gonna pour some, and I'm gonna save some for later. I make my own buttermilk. Just put a half of a lemon into each cup of milk. And there you have it. Then I'm going to put in my butter. Then we're going to do our sugar. Yes, ma'am. So I'm just going to use a whole stick of butter. I'm just going to leave a little bit to grease the pan with. For white sugar, brown sugar, and we're going to mix. gonna lock that. And let that mix for a little while. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch to my paddle right now because I just wanna fold in the cornbread mix. And as you can see, we're using Jiffy cornbread mix. So this is our second box, and I hope I'm not over, I'm not sure how much to use, so we're just gonna go with the 2 boxes. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there, and we're gonna let our paddle do the work. We're gonna start off slow. Whoa. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. Guys, it's looking fabulous now. I don't know what we're doing here, but we got it going on, baby. Yes, ma'am. And I use 1 cup of milk. I'm not sure if that's enough. Like I said again, she wasn't using measurements just like I don't, so who could complain, you know? But we're gonna see how this baby tastes. I'm gonna tell you something. It's looking good so far. I'm gonna go in there and taste it. To be honest with you, I'm going to taste it and see so far what we got going on here. So let me pull this up real quick. I'm just going to bring the rest of this down because I want everything to be incorporated with each other because we need to know what's going on. Oh Lord, this might be good, guys. Lord have mercy. I think I'm going to use a little bit more butter, but I'm scared to. Should I? No. You know what? I'm just gonna go with that. I'm just gonna go with what we got. But let me taste it so far. So far, we might be in trouble, guys. Oh Lord, America. And you already know what cornbread mix. You don't have to overmix it. So this one here is really coming to an end. And I have my pan here. Right here. I'll show you that in a minute. And we're just gonna pour it in there. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. This thing tastes good already. If it cooks up like the cornbread's supposed to, we are in trouble. And this will be my new Thanksgiving recipe. I'm not even gonna lie, because I'm telling you, you see me already taste it. And I already taste it with the mix and everything else up in there. But if it cooks up and has a nice coating on it, you might be in trouble. Or we might have started something new. You know? And the next thing I'm going to try it with bananas. And don't you guys run out there and do it. I'm definitely going to try it with some ripe bananas. The same thing. Cornbread mixed with some ripe bananas. Yes, I am. Oh my God. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it in this pan. I had to do it again. I'm going to flip you guys down and around. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to pour it in this pan, right? This is going to be dangerous, guys. That's what I'm saying. This is going to be very, 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 very dangerous. So, let's go. Let's just go. Okay. We're just going to go. Lord. Guys, now you know, I gotta take this out of my house today. Because I'm telling you, if this thing comes out the way it's supposed to, this is going to be absolutely fabulous. So when I finish with this, guys, I'm going to put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And I'm going to come back to show you guys what we came up with. I'm going to have to come back. I'm going to have to, oh my God. Okay guys, so our cornbread sweet potato, oh my God, what are we gonna call this? A pie, a cake? What are we gonna call it? I don't know what we're gonna call it, but let's just dive in. It's finished! And it took me 45 to 50 minutes, I guess because I overdid something. I put too much of either milk or too much of sweet potatoes. But let's just see what's going on here. Let's just see. So the first thing I want to do is I want to pour some syrup on it, right? So let's do that. Let's just pour a little bit of syrup on it, just a little bit. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And I did melt some butter to put on the top. So let's just do that. This looks so fabulous. I can't wait to try this. You guys are going to try this with me because I have not ever tried it. So we're going to do that together. Let's pour some butter. There we go. Oh, yes, ma'am. We're just going to put some down the side. Just a little bit on the side here. Yes, ma'am. So guys, should we just smooth some on it? So it won't be just in one spot. Let's make sure everybody get a little bit of this butter. I should have poked some holes in it, that way it could have sunk down to the bottom. But you know what, guys? Hey. Let's just cut this. Let's just cut this. Maybe we didn't need no more butter. It's still kind of hot, and I'm waiting. Maybe we should have just waited until it cooled. But you know what? Why not? Let's just go in. Cut it. Let's just do this. I'm just afraid. Right? I'm afraid this is my first time making this. Because I had to lick the knife. Oh my God. This should be illegal. That's all I'm saying. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. This right here should be illegal. I am sorry. This should be illegal. I cannot. You can only do this once a year. I'm not even gonna lie. This right here should be illegal. No way. No way. I know I ain't supposed to be eating this. No way. You got it? My name is Robin from Rosin Journey Through Crafting, guys. You just got to try that. Oh my goodness. All of this goodie in one place is absolutely wrong. It is so wrong right now. So wrong. But so good. Guys, my name is Robin from Rosin Journey. Please try this. Yes, ma'am.